Hi, I'm Tim with Butler Toyota in Jacksonville, and I'm going to show you my top 4 favorite features in the exterior of the Tacoma. This right here is your 𝗕𝗲𝘁 keypad system. So if you ever want to go on an adventure, you don't want to carry your key with you if it's going to get wet or destroyed, you can lock your key in the vehicle with this option. Moving forward, we have the sunroof right through there. So if you're going to go to the beach on a sunny day, you can open that up and get a nice cool breeze with the opening of the back window as well. Moving over to the back of the vehicle, we do offer a tonneau cover to go over the rear of the vehicle, so if you want to lock your tailgate and not have to worry about anything getting stolen, that is an option for you. And we also have the plug in the rear of the vehicle, so if you're ever going to go on an off-road adventure and you want to bring your own compressor and air down your tires and air them back up, you have that ability to as well.